If Gmail is showing error 007, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your inbox quickly. This issue is often caused by corrupted browser data, a problematic extension, or an outdated browser, and the good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, we're going to clear your browser data. Open your browser, click the three dots in the top corner and go to Settings. From there, find Privacy and Security, then choose Delete Browsing Data. When the window appears, set the time range to All Time. Now make sure you select Cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. These are the two most common things that can cause Gmail to misbehave or display loading errors. Once those boxes are checked, click Clear Data and wait for the process to finish. After that, close and reopen Gmail to see if the error is gone. If Gmail is still not working, the next step is to test it in Incognito Mode or private window. This is a very useful step because it opens the browser without your usual cookies, cache, or most extensions running in the background. To do this, click the three dots again and select New Incognito Window or New Private Window, depending on your browser. Then go to https://mail.google.com/ and sign in with your Google account. If Gmail works properly here, that tells us the issue is likely related to your normal browser profile, extension, or stored data rather than Gmail itself. Now let's move on to the next fix, which is disabling browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, script blockers, translation tools, or security add-ons, can interfere with Gmail and cause errors like this. Open the three-dot menu again, go to Extensions and choose Manage Extensions. You'll see a list of everything installed in your browser. Turn off your extensions one by one, starting with anything that might affect websites or page loading. After disabling each extension, refresh Gmail and check whether it starts working. If Gmail begins loading normally after turning off a certain extension, you've found the problem. You can leave that extension disabled or remove it completely if it's not needed. The final step is to update your browser. An outdated browser can cause compatibility issues with Google services, including Gmail. To check for updates, click the three dots, go to Help, and then select About Google Chrome, About Firefox, or About Microsoft Edge. Depending on the browser you're using, your browser will automatically check for available updates and install them if needed. Once the update is finished, restart the browser and open Gmail again. This simple update can fix hidden bugs and improve compatibility with the latest Gmail features. So to quickly recap, if you're seeing Gmail error 007, first clear your browser data, then test Gmail in incognito mode, disable extensions one by one, and finally update your browser. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.